Let's start with the adorable call of the Wookiee.
That Wookiee looks a bit off, man.
It is an off
What's
Wookiee,
wrong with
isn't
him?
it? Let's not focus on that, John.
Okay.
Let's focus on the noise they create. How are they made? A, using large balloons rubbed together in a burlap sack close to a condenser microphone. Or B, 4 bears, a badger, a lion, a seal, a rabbit, and a walrus. Or C, it's the sound Harrison Ford makes when he has indigestion.
B.
You're going with B, the animal combo.
Yeah.
Is the right answer. Well done you, John. You know your animals, but how well, specifically, do you know your sea otters?
Oh, I didn't know what
Because this
sounds
is the
they make.
tauntaun.
Yeah.
Was it made using A, an African sea otter named Bobo, B, an Asian sea otter named Moda, or C, an American sea otter named Rudiger?
A.
You're going with A, the African sea otter named Bobo. You got it. Wrong. It's an Asian sea otter, obviously, and apparently
Oh,
was
what makes it
genuinely called
Asian?
Moda.
Ah. But they were in a snowstorm most of the time anyways. You couldn't necessarily hear it like that.
No, and I suppose you're not really meant to listen to them and think, what kind
Yeah,
of
exactly,
otter
exactly,
was
'cause you're
that?
part of the-
Was it sea? Was it river? Right, the TIE Fighter. How does it get that banshee-like shriek? Elephants and car tires on wet roads. B, pieces of metal scraping together mixed with kettle steam. Or
Okay.
C, it's the passengers on Harrison Ford's plane.
I'd love to go for C, but I'm gonna have to say it's B.
You're going with
It's gotta be
B.
B.
Pieces of metal scraping together mixed with kettle steam. It's wrong.
What is it? What is it? A.
Elephants mixed with car tires on wet roads, so they drag out the elephants, which sounds like torture, but no elephants were harmed. It's like all done in the edit.
I don't
There's
believe
tyres
that.
Well,
I don't believe that.
Wikipedia says it's true.
Wikipedia is the lie.
One
Lie.
more. The swishy from of the lightsaber.
I gotta get this one.
You got it. Come on, John. A, hovercraft propellers recorded from a distance. B, film projectors and TV static. Or C, Mark Hamill does it with his mouth every time he's just good at not moving his lips.
What's B again?
Film projectors and TV static.
No, it's A. It's A.
Are you sure you want to go with
It
A?
is A.
It's B.
Is it B?
It's B.
How can it be B?
You only got one right, John.
Whatever, man.
That's B, so I'm cheating.
B is the
but
right answer. Yeah, you're
it's
probably-
mostly a hungry black bear. I'm gonna go with A, the African sea otter. No.
The wrong answer.
Oh
Not
my
so smoke now,
God,
Ryan Johnson.
I
It's
failed.
B.
A.
You're going with A is the right answer. Mark Hamill does it with his mouth every time. He's just good at not moving his lips.
It's B combined with vacuum tubes, like it, and of swishing a microphone past like the vacuum tube.
You're saying I didn't do enough research.
No, you didn't. But shout out to Ben Burt.
Ben Burt, the man, the legend.
Right?
And Wikipedia let me down.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Jamie Stangram told me to do this because he's a ridiculous human being, which I've discovered in a matter of a few minutes.
Subscribe to the channel for more chats like this, episodes of These Are the Actors You're Looking For, and because Lando says so.